Okay, so this is how your upper die should be positioned. When you have the crimp die positioned underneath the upper die, you should be able to do this. You'll need to feel around in there and make sure that nothing is stuck in there. Sounds like probably something actually is stuck in there. But what's happening, since this is stuck in the up position, when you go to try to rotate this around, this pin can't clear. This is supposed to swing back and forth, and it can't do that because it's stuck up. So you want to position it kind of with the crimp die here, and then, like, you know, do something like that. You might get in there with some lubrication. Take your fingers and try to force it down. There's probably something stuck in this upper die, though, that's causing that. So you'll want to try to get out whatever's stuck in there. Do not use a metal utensil of any kind in the inside of this die. That can permanently damage the die. So if there is something stuck in there that you can't get out and you need to send this back for repair, I'll just need your the name or the purchase record for your repairs. But so your upper die being stuck up like this is what's causing your problem.